to Naturaliss Jamaican Home Cooking. Everybody can cook if you want to cook. Today we'll be cooking baked fish foil wrap. Come make we bubble a pot. Right now we have some red snapper, you understand? Right. As we said, we are going to do some baked fish, foil wrap baked fish. Right, so here you have some red snapper. Right, so you know, fish is a very healthy meal. It consists of protein, omega-3, right, and vitamin D. Right, so fish is very healthy. Alright, so over here, you know, you have a garlic. Right, you know, garlic is a universal medicine. Garlic good for hypertension and all of them things. Right, any form of illness you have, diabetes, garlic can cure it over time. Right, you have a lemon, also good for hypertension. Right, have the carrot. Right, over here the carrot, you know, carrot have vitamin K. Carrot good for your eyesight. Carrot have antioxidant, good for your skin. Right, so we have the scallion, we have the thyme, pimento seed. Right, very good spice. Tomato is rich in antioxidant as well. Tomato have vitamin. Right, so it's a healthy meal. Right, you have a cucumber. Cucumber is rich in antioxidant as well. Cucumber good for diabetes. Right, good for your digestive system. Right, you have okra, which is vitamin B and vitamin C. It also have fiber, right, and it also have folic acid. Right, so you have a sweet pepper, which is antioxidant as well. So it's a very rich diet we're gonna deal with. Alright, so let's get to it. Right. Right, so you open out the belly, ensure that everything is clean. Alright, so this one is good. So you're gonna make a little slice. The knife is kind of dull, might have to sharpen it a bit. Make a little slice so that the seasoning can soak. Love cooking. Right, everybody have to eat. But it all depends on what you want to eat. You know, food we're talking about still. Everybody have to eat food. Good food takes time, so if you don't have patience, cooking is not for you, because cooking is time consuming. And if you want food to come out good, come out tasty, you have to put in time. Literally.
How long now have you been cooking?
I've been cooking ever since I was a little child. Yeah, so I have to chew off that water because it have been stale. Rinse off the fish them and get some fresh water. Right. So cooking is all about cleanliness. Right. Each step, each stages, you have to ensure that you wash thoroughly. Yeah man, so wash up the snapper then. You understand? Wash them up proper then. order to do this, you have to be skilled, because if you don't know what you are doing, knife will cut you. So years of experience. Alright. So as I said before, yeah man, cleanliness is next to godliness. So each step you take, you have to remember to wash. Right, I'm gonna use lime juice and vinegar. Get rid of the rawness of the fish. Callous vinegar, white vinegar. Right. Squeeze the lime juice, get rid of the rawness. It also add some vinegar as well. Right, not a lot, probably about a teaspoon or so. Right, just kind of mix it up. Right, you can smell it already. Kind of help flavor the fish as well, the lime juice. You know, rub it up in the belly of the fish. Right, kind of help give it a flavor. Right. So all good, all natural seasoning. You're not gonna work with any powder seasoning. All natural. Right. Alright, so we have some pimento seed. Gonna wash the pimento seed first. Right, and then we're gonna add it to the fish. Right, so you want the fresher part of the skeleton. Stripping some garlic peg, right? Key to cooking, healthy cooking. Lots of garlic. Try to eat as much garlic as you can. Garlic fight cancer, right? Garlic help with high blood pressure, right? Any form of sickness you have, garlic can cure it over a period of time. Who don't know about okra? So I'll show you a little trick how you know when the okra is good. Alright, first take the okra, pinch the tail. Right, once the tail come off easily, it's good. If it's hard and hard to break, it's old. So that's when you know if the okra is fresh and ready. Right, see how easily it break off. That means it's just right. Okra is good for stamina, so all of the man them where can't perform, right? The woman a complain, so they not perform. Just eat all of okra and you're good to go. Eat up your okra, eat up your snapper, eat up your okra. Okra make you proper. Ready for the carrot now. Right.
So, where did you learn your cooking skills?
My cooking skills are self-taught. Right. You know, when you want to learn something, I have a natural ability of teaching myself how to do stuff. Right. So I just decided that I wanted to know how to cook. Right. So I just started cooking, and after many failures, you know, you learn from your mistake and automatically you get it right one day. So that's why I said everybody can cook if you really want to know how to cook. thoroughly. Right. Anything you have to do with your belly, you have to ensure it's proper.
Easy as Naturaliss.
Yeah, man. Don't try this at home and you lose your finger. Carrot, you know? Alright, so cut up your time. Alright. So the key to cooking is your seasoning and your spice. Right? The onion, thyme, scallion, garlic and your pepper. Gonna lead make things better. So what you do, you cut it up fine. Right, so that it's easier to handle. Right, so you put the garlic fine. Instagram at CR3 Media. Instagram at Profocus Photography. Right, so that is Instagram at Profocus Photography. Looking real good. Right, looking real good. Real Naturaliss Jamaican home style cooking. Right, looking nice, colorful, file wrap baked fish. Right. Mad man, mad. So just gonna season the fish, get it everything in one first before we wrap it. You know, kinda let the seasoning marinate for a little while. Right, get it together. It's smelling real nice already. Real nice. Right, next step, time to wrap. Draft with foil paper.